We've all been there. You wake up, brush your teeth, and take a sip of orange juice, instant regret. Suddenly that sweet, refreshing juice tastes like bitter poison. But why? Is it the toothpaste, the juice, some kind of weird chemical reaction? Well, get ready because today I'm diving into the strange science of taste, toothpaste, and why your morning routine might be ruining your breakfast. Before we talk about toothpaste, let's understand how taste works. Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae, and inside them are taste buds. These little guys detect 5 main flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Each flavor serves a purpose. Sweetness usually signals energy-rich food, while bitterness often warns us about toxins or spoiled food. Your brain relies on these signals to decide whether something is safe or disgusting. What happens when you brush your teeth? Sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, is a foaming agent in toothpaste. It makes your toothpaste bubbly but blocks sweet receptors. That's why orange juice tastes bitter after brushing. Consider SLS-free toothpaste to avoid this. It can make your morning routine more pleasant. Not all toothpaste contains SLS. Some natural brands use alternative foaming agents. Switching to an SLS-free toothpaste might save you from this horrible experience. Let's dig a little deeper into these alternatives. Cocamidopropyl betaine is a milder surfactant derived from coconut oil. It's less likely to irritate your mouth. Another option is sodium lauryl sarcosinate. Many SLS-free toothpastes are marketed as natural or organic. Brands like Tom's of Maine, Jason, and Dr. Bronner's are popular choices. Switching to an SLS-free toothpaste might improve your morning juice experience. Some people find that SLS-free options reduce mouth ulcers and irritation. Ensure that the toothpaste you choose still contains fluoride for cavity protection. If the bitterness of orange juice is ruining your morning, explore these SLS-free alternatives. Your taste buds will thank you. Let's see what happens when you make the switch. Orange juice isn't the only victim. Other foods that can taste off after brushing include chocolate can taste way more bitter than normal. Milk might taste sour or weirdly metallic. Bananas can taste almost flavorless. Oddly enough, some flavors aren't affected much, like spicy foods. So, if you want to avoid the bad aftertaste, try eating something spicy instead. This strange phenomenon is due to the same culprit, sodium lauryl sulfate. It's fascinating how one ingredient can have such a wide-ranging impact on our taste perception. But why do different foods react differently? Well, it all comes down to how SLS alters the balance of taste receptors on your tongue. Foods high in sweetness or those with subtle flavors are most affected because their primary taste signals are either blocked or overshadowed by bitterness. Interestingly, spicy foods remain relatively unchanged because their heat component is detected by pain receptors, not taste buds. So, your spicy breakfast burrito might be the perfect workaround. This quirky side effect of toothpaste may seem like a minor inconvenience, but it opens up a whole world of questions about how we experience taste.